This is how you make a pressure dressing with a roll of gauze. Now, direct pressure is the best way to stop bleeding, and this dressing, this bandage, will apply it for you. So, see this Z fold I'm doing here? I fold this up as thick as I need to for the size and the depth of the wound. Then, I will apply it onto the wound and wrap tight, like so. So, I have the thick pad, I place that on the wound. Now I wrap, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to figure 8 wrap. I'm going to go around and up, around and down, okay? I'm going to crisscross applesauce there, and this applies a more uniform pressure over the wound. And if I need even more pinpoint pressure on the wound, I can give a little twist here and wrap down. Now I can go all the way around with the gauze, or I can leave a little bit here for even more pressure on the wound. I'll tape this down securely, and I have a nice pressure pad there maintaining pressure on the wound so they can still work, make a shelter, make a fire if they have to, if they're stuck in a survival situation, without reopening and re-bleeding the wound. My name is Thomas Coyne. I am a professional survival instructor. This was Sheila. I hope you like and share this message.